high on that tree, not for his guilt, but because of me. The innocent bore every curse to open the way to life. On that tree he carried shame. On that tree he bore my blame. Mercy flows where blood was poured, love and nearness are restored. One mocked and scorned, still blind in pride. The other confessed, I deserve. He feared Elohim, he owned his way. Salvation came when he heard these words, I will see you in paradise this day. On that tree he carried shame. On that tree he bore my blame. Mercy flows where blood was poured, love and nearness are restored. Adam hid, shifting blame. Cain said, I am not to blame. Kings and nations hardened still, but God wept, I've missed your will. And there on the hill, the guilty man turned. Paradise was promised when his heart yearned. On that tree he carried shame. On that tree he bore my blame. Mercy flows where blood was poured, love and nearness are restored. Do not wait for the end of days. Do not boast of another hour. The Father is watching down the road, ready to run with love and power. On that tree he carried shame. On that tree he bore my blame. Turn today, do not delay. Love and mercy call your name. He waits for you, he waits for me. The garden restored. On that tree.